EMS Proto's website allows you to easily and quickly quote the cost of the components, PCBs and assembly labour of any electronics boards. Choose your own deadline and the amount of boards you want to manufacture. Then you will be able to fill in a form and upload your bills of materials. Once your file is uploaded, you must assign a column to each required field and point out your data's first line. Once you're done, you can move on to the next step. The interface automatically looks for all the components' availability and the best prices. The whole process is fully automated, as we are directly connected to the database of our suppliers. You have the option to select the assembly technology. You can see the assembly cost is automatically updated. Here you fill in the characteristics of the PCB, dimensions, number of layers, material, insulations, drilling diameters, and so on. The PCB price is updated as you go. Then you upload the Gerber or ODB++ files. Then the pick and place file. Finally, the implementation file. The interface computes all the data. It offers you a matrix with all the prices. You just have to validate your order.